In this short tutorial, I will show you how to remove your profile picture on TikTok. Removing your profile picture is easy and can be done in just a few simple steps. To get started, open up any web browser you like and then search for default profile picture. After that, tap Images. And then tap on this default profile picture from Wikipedia. Now you need to download this to your phone. To do that, touch and hold the photo. And then select Save to Photos. Now that default profile picture is saved to your device's storage, what you want to do next is exit the web browser and open up the TikTok app. And then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the Edit Profile button. Then tap on the Change Photo button. Tap and select the Upload Photo option. Then select the default profile picture that you just downloaded. Then tap on the Save button at the bottom right to upload this as your new profile picture. By following these simple steps, you can effectively remove your current profile picture on TikTok and replace it with a default profile picture. While there isn't a specific feature to directly remove the profile picture, uploading a default one is an easy workaround for achieving the same result. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.